Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in PUBG Blind Spot. So if you're getting any sound or audio problem while playing the PUBG Blind Spot game, then here follow the fixes. Solution 1, steps to fix sound problem in PUBG Blind Spot. So here what we have to do, open Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down. Under advanced option click on more sound settings. And then select your default sound device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and from the drop down here select off, then hit apply, OK, and then go ahead and check if a problem is solved or not. If spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Phonics for headphones, hit apply, OK, and then go ahead launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Second solution is to step to fix sound problem or audio problem in PUBG Blind Spot if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and then select more devices in printer settings, right click your headphones and then select properties. Then go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the PUBG Blind Spot game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game, and after the sound device is selected, just restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve sound or audio problem in PUBG Blind Spot game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.